India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
आधुनिकतेच्या नावान दिसान दीस मनीस वेगवेगळ्यो टेक्नॉलॉजी वापरूंक लागला. त्याच टेक्नॉलॉजी आड क्रायमूय वाडपाक लागला. आजकाल ऑनलायन फायनान्शियल फ्रॉड, सायबर बुलिंग सारकिले क्रायम्स सर्रास जातात. तातूंतले चडशे पीडित समाजाच्या लजेन पुलिशे मेरेन पावच ना. तांच्या आधाराक NGO सायबर वेलनेस सेंटराचो हात.
So we are tied up with the Goa police. The CM's office is very supportive. Moreover, also with the NGOs who are also the first point of contact for this type of crime. So they will refer cases to us and we will arrange the situation and understand how we can take it further. Your identity will not be disclosed. First of all, we will be helping you to remove that content. If at all it is online, then we will remove it. We will help you to register a case if it is not getting registered. Say if it is a bank fraud or some things like that, then we will help you to block the account, create a new password. All those things can be created and helped. Like wherein you have senior citizens been robbed of all their years, lifetimes. We are taking such cases and we are addressing it to the particular bank. Then we will address it to the police, and accordingly from there on we would take up the matter.
शाळांनी कॉलेजांनी खंय सायबर क्रायमा विशीं जागृताय जाय.
For creating awareness, it is first thing is we go to schools, colleges, and because that is the place where children are affected with because of their online classes, and now everyone has a cell phone, a smartphone. So they are the first point of contact for us. So we create something called as responsible netizens, like in them, to make them understand that yes, these are the ways you can fall prey to cyber crimes.
स्टुडंटा खातीर मुकेश कुमार आणि चेतन गावस.